Hey guys, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. I'm just showing you what we've got going on here. This is a slipper mould. We call it a slipper mould because it's a bit like a slipper. You can see under here. This is a concreting tool that when someone's concreting and screeding off, they'll put their foot in here and they'll put their knee on there and they'll be able to move around on the concrete without damaging it while it's sort of going off and they're screeding off. Yeah, we've made a start on it. We've started to work the pattern a tiny bit. Probably spent 10 minutes on it just to get it ready. And then and now we're starting to put some release agent down and we'll start the moulding process tomorrow, and then we can start making some of these for this client. So something a little bit different. So we're just getting some PVA down on this. You can see how blue it's going. It's going to provide a barrier and make sure that the mould doesn't stick when we're making the mould off it. Alright guys, here's the finished result. So we've got all our pieces here, and this is the mould for it, and this one is the original, and he's going to put his rubber knee pads in there, and yeah, should be happy as Larry. Here's what it looks like. This is for his knee, I believe, and that's the floor. It's going to slide around on the concrete, make it easy for him to do his troweling up. Thanks for watching.